In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Hostinger website for mobile view. As more people browse the web on their smartphones, it's crucial to ensure that your site is user-friendly for mobile visitors. With just a few simple steps, you can dramatically enhance the mobile experience for your audience. The first thing you want to do is head over to Hostinger's platform. Start by going to the email section on Hostinger. Don't worry, we won't actually be working with emails, but this is your starting point because from here we'll move to the website builder interface. This is where the magic happens. Next, once you're in the Hostinger builder, look toward the upper right section of the screen and locate the smartphone icon. Clicking on this icon is crucial because it switches the view to a mobile perspective. By doing this, you're able to see exactly how your website appears to mobile users. It gives you a real-time preview so you can make adjustments as needed. Now that you've got the mobile view on, it's time to refine the layout. You'll want to select the option labeled Auto Fix Layout. This feature is incredibly useful as it automatically adjusts and optimizes your website layout for mobile devices. Hostinger's Auto Fix feature does a lot of the heavy lifting, taking into account various screen sizes and ensuring that your content is displayed neatly without you having to manually adjust each element. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can save you a significant amount of time. With your layout now optimized for mobile, the next step is to fine-tune individual sections for optimal appearance and functionality. To do this, click on Edit section. This option opens up a range of customization tools. Here you can tweak the text size, adjust image placements, and ensure buttons and links are easy to tap on smaller screens. This personal touch is what can make your mobile site stand out, providing a seamless and enjoyable experience for your visitors. As you work through the sections, remember to frequently preview your changes. This helps you ensure that each update aligns with your design goals and provides the best user experience. Always keep in mind that simple navigation and readability are key when it comes to mobile sites. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully optimized your Hostinger website for mobile view. By ensuring your website looks great and functions well on smartphones, you're not just following a trend. You're enhancing accessibility for your audience. So go ahead, try these tips and watch as your site transforms into a mobile-friendly hub. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more website optimization tips.